Hello everyone, and welcome again to another one of my YouTube videos. My name is Ed Walker, and I will be your host for Surfing the Net Computer Repair. In this tutorial is a series of our quick tips, and in our first quick tips, we're going to cover the Steps Recorder. Pretty awesome program. You can do so much with it. You don't need a camera. It'll film it automatically within the computer. It's a recorder that's inside the computer. So everything you do on your screen will be recorded. This is great for tutorials, presentations. If you want to, let's say you have a friend who's trying to get around in Excel, had a little bit of problems, you could even go step by step through that recording to show them, and then you can send it to them. And you can also save it to a file or your desktop also. And it's very, very handy. I use it a lot. And it's pretty good features. So I'm kind of excited about it. So let me go ahead and give you a demonstration. In this quick tips tutorial, let's get to the Steps Recorder. Now, down at the bottom, you'll have a search bar, which is by default. If you do not have the search bar here, you may have a little icon is all right here that just shows like a magnifying glass. And you click on that and that'll bring it up the same. But in the search, once you click the icon, if that's all you had, but if you have the bar, just click in the bar. And we're going to type in steps, S-T-E-P-S. And it brings up our steps recorder. We're going to left click on it, and that brings up this little utility bar, Steps Recorder. Now I don't want it in the way of what I'm going to do, so I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, and I'm going to drag it out of the way or wherever I want it. Or I can minimize it or whatever, but I'm just going to set it over here. Now, if I was doing a presentation, I would go ahead and use that. It's pretty awesome for presentation because it records everything that you do on your computer. It'll show the images as well as the text. So if I wanted, for example, I'm in Excel and I have a spreadsheet and I want to send it to somebody, I could just click on it and go. But let's get a demonstration. Let's go ahead and start it. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on Start Record. Now everything I do from now on will be recorded. So if I wanted to go, for example, to Excel, bring that up, I could have the Excel spreadsheet in my presentation, or maybe to send to a friend or whatever, or maybe I was helping them get around and some of the features in Excel, I could do that. Let me go ahead and close it out. But no matter what I open, whether it's click on Google Chrome, let me double click on this, and there it is, and I can come up here, and wherever I go to any website, whatever, it's going to record that. So let me go ahead and exit out of this. I can open up any one of these, or I can browse the computer to whatever I want to show them, or maybe I want to go to family pictures and show a slideshow, whatever. It's almost endless. So what I'm going to show you is what it looks like. We're going to go up here now and right here and click on Stop Record. Okay, it's going to bring up a box here. And this is everything that we have done. when we started to record. And each image is numbered. And if you notice, there's the first shot of the desktop. That's when I went to the Excel spreadsheet. And if I go down, there was a second shot when I got back to my desktop. I was going to the desktop to click on the Google Chrome. There's where the Google come up. Went back to the desktop. This is when I opened up the start menu. But what's really unique about this that I really like is when all this is there, if you go down towards the bottom, it says additional details. This gives a step-by-step of what you did. Step 1, user left click, and program, explore, blah, blah, blah. But it lists it all. So it's all in detail. How nifty is that, huh? Oh, you'll find probably a lot more uses for this than I have. But let me go ahead and exit it out. Yes, I want to stop. But before I close out, let me show you that you come up here to the top and you can click Save. And you can name it whatever you want and save it wherever you want on your computer, whether you want it on the desktop, you want it in documents, or wherever you want it. Then you just click Save, and it saves it. If it's a real large file, it'll make it into zip download file. Okay. Let me cancel out of that. Close this out. It's almost endless for what you can do with this. And I think that you'll like it. All right. That concludes the first tutorial in the quick tips. I want to thank you for joining me. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it too well, give me a thumbs down. And give me a comment why, or just comment in general what you like to see in the upcoming videos. And we'll see if we can address that on the next videos. Again, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.